Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. This is William Hindman, your host, and this is Just Force 911, where we look at how our public officials do their job or they just flat don't. Hey, guys, this is an update, one that I did several months ago on Montrose Police, and how they wrote him. The cops stopped a guy, found a sex toy in the guy's car, joked about it, blocked the drive-through of a convenient or of a fast food joint when there was no reason to, just because they can. They have the authority. Well, just because you have the authority to do something doesn't mean you should do it. Like they tell us all the time when we're filming. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Well, works out both ways, pal. The officer, because, he's a police officer and has qualified immunity and is a demigod and a sovereign citizen, came over and gave the guy a riot act. He basically told him to go pound sand and flipped him off. They wrote him a ticket for interfering, and he went to court and went to trial, and guess what? Free speech. Imagine that. And these clowns out there in these blue uniforms don't know this. What are we hiring? Morons? Yeah, we are, guys. We really are, unfortunately. So, anyway, guys, let's check this out, and we'll go from there, all right?
A Montrose man.
Oh, that reminds me. I forgot to tell you guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for those who have. Hit the bell icon, thumbs up, thumbs down, tells how I do. And leave a like and share, or hit the like and share because it helps my algorithms. Thank you.
Fought the law, and today he won. This all stemmed from an incident last October where police had ticketed a man for swearing at them.
This morning, a judge dismissed the case after concluding what the man said was constitutionally protected freedom of speech. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates brought us this story last month. He joins us now. And Kevin, it sounds like this might not be the end, though, here.
Well, Kim and Tom, now that this criminal case has been dismissed, the man's attorney has promised to file a federal civil rights lawsuit.
It was a stolen car case that could...
Yeah, and the great part is taxpayers have to pay for it, not these clowns. I don't get this. Why are they not held responsible before us, the taxpayers? Why do we have to pay for them? It's ridiculous.
Could have been most memorable for the discovery of a sex toy.
I'm so sorry.
Could have been if Josh Smith hadn't shown up and voiced his displeasure that police cars made it tough to get into the drive-through lane at Humdinger's.
When I said what I said, and then I thought it was over with.
It wasn't.
Quit yelling, you're going to get a citation, understood?
And after round two,
He said nobody could get through the drive-thru for a half an hour.
that officer made good on his promise, ticketing Smith for making an obscene gesture.
Not signing anything.
That was later amended to interfering with police. Wednesday morning, the judge called Smith's behavior immature, offensive, and unnecessary, but also said it was free speech protected by the First Amendment. Bottom line, the interference charge was unconstitutional as applied in this case based on these facts.
I pretty much knew that we would win. I just didn't. I thought it would be I thought it was going to actually have to go to trial.
That trial had been set for next week in Montrose Municipal Court. The question now is whether Smith will sue the city in federal court.
The biggest question for the judge was ultimately whether Smith interfered with the work of those officers. In the ruling, the judge noted that the other officers were not prevented in searching that vehicle and doing the other things they were doing there. In the meantime, Smith's attorney has said he will sue Montrose for violating his constitutional right to free speech. We'll report on that if and when it happens. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Like you said, it started out one way, and then all it took was him engaging here. And again, what was the citation?
He was originally charged with making an obscene gesture that later was changed to interfering with police. But the judge said he did not interfere with the work they were doing.
Right. He was just expressing himself. Okay. All right. Thank you, Kevin.
Yeah. Well, once again, taxpayers get to pay the bill. Guys, it's amazing. We need to get it to where these cops start paying their own bills instead of us paying it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Remember, always film the police. Why? Because you back to blue till it happens to you.